Let's make tasty paneer bhurji in 10 minutes. Let's go. Take a pan and switch on the heat. When the pan is hot enough, add a little oil and some ghee to it. Let these oil and ghee heat and add a little jeera. Let that jeera sizzle and add your chopped onions. I have taken one onion for this dish. Roast the onions till it turns translucent and then add your tomatoes. I have taken 3 small tomatoes for this dish and mix it and roast it nicely. Give it some time and let it blend. For the spices, add garam masala, haldi, some dhania powder, a lot of red chilli. This is optional, you can add some chicken masala to it, and a little bit of salt. For all these masalas, I do not have the measurements, just use your feelings and go ahead with it. Give it a good mix and let it rest. Add a little water so that your masalas and tomatoes don't burn. Roast it, add water and let it rest. Your masala should look a little reddish brown, dark brown, and add your crumbled paneer to it. Give it a good mix and roast it for like 5-10 minutes till the paneer takes off all the masalas. This is also an additional step. You can avoid it if you don't like a lot of chili. I've just used one big chili. And we have a paneer bhurji ready. Just top it up with some ghee and enjoy.